Hi there, students. An arcology. An arcology. Okay, an arcology is a huge building that is a city. Let's see, the word arcology is a mixture of the words architecture and ecology, a portmanteau word. Architecture, ecology, arcology. And it's an extremely large building, a city-sized building, which has a very high human density, but has a very low impact on the environment. It has open spaces for people. It probably has agriculture, and the ideal arcology would be completely self-sufficient. Now, no true arcology has been built yet, although there have been various attempts to build arcologies. I believe in Saudi Arabia they are trying to build an arcology called the Line, which is 170 kilometers long by 200 meters wide. And well, I hope they manage to do it. But an arcology is the idea of this is an enormous city with maximum population density, and it preserves it. Doesn't or it has a minimal effect on the surrounding countryside, and this is the idea of an arcology. It's good. It's good for the environment, and it houses all the people. Effectively, it's a city which is intended to be inside one single structure. Okay, so it's an enormous vertical. I think an arcology could go down as well. City that you've got the maximum population density. I'm sure that these, if they are successfully built, will have all sorts of other problems. You will find arcologies only in the realm of science fiction today. These are effectively smart cities that they maximize the use of energy. They minimize the consumption of resources. The idea is to reduce this urban sprawl where cities just spread out forever. Look at the size of London or New York or any big city. They are just enormous, and this is designed to go upwards to house all of the people. There have been one or two projects to try to do this, but they have not really been successful. But well, you never know, because well, inside an arcology there are probably no cars. There are just elevators. The carbon emissions are going to be very low. Okay, this concept of an arcology was designed by an Italian architect, Paolo Soleri, well, Italian-American architect, in the late 60s. And he's just trying to use space efficiently. Okay, so an arcology. The word comes from a mixture of a portmanteau of architecture and ecology. As to formality, I think I'm going to give this word a 5.5 in formality, maybe a 6, but I would say use anywhere. An arcology is just a huge building, a huge complex. It has an internal ecology as well as a high human population density. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Arcology.